Hello, good morning. How is everyone? I'm Anushka Sisodia, and today in this video, I'm going to show you guys the best place where you can buy cosmetics or toiletries in Chernivtsi, Ukraine. Like if you're living in Chernivtsi, then I think this is the best place where you can buy cosmetics or toiletries. So I also saw the franchisee of this place in other places like Odessa and Kiev. So I think you can get a card for yourself from this place, and you can buy from like different city. You can buy stuff in different cities as well. I don't have a lot of time because I have to get back to my studying. I have to study a lot today as well. The place I am going to is near Fo Market, but you can also find other shops in like city. You can search on the Google Maps and you will find the shops near you wherever you are living in Chennai. So you can find these shops, and they provide with the best discount, and they also give you a discount card which you can use. I had that, but I lost it, so I don't have it anymore. If you're wondering why I like to keep my camera down at an angle, because I like to keep the privacy of the other people around me, because if I keep the camera up, then I guess you will see everything that is behind me, and that's why I don't like to keep my camera like this, so that the privacy of the other people is protected, because I wouldn't like if another people took me in their videos without my permission. So that's why I like to keep my camera down, so that whenever I'm outside, you don't like see other people and they don't come in my video without their permission, and etc. So I'm going to go this place. It is just on that corner right over there. Maybe I won't be able to shoot inside it, but yeah, if you will go inside that shop, you will see that they offer a lot of discount, and also the products are very good. You will see a lot of variety as well, so that's why I like it. And I told you about the discount card, and also that this shop can be found in another cities as well. Like I saw some shops in Odessa and I saw some in Kiev. So I guess if you have a card from this place, you can buy in another cities as well if you are like from another cities. So yeah, let's just go and I'll buy things for myself. So this is the only thing that I bought. It's Sharjah by Greenway. Previously what I bought was pineapple and chili, and this one has strawberry and mascarpone. This one was of 33 grams. That means in rupees it will be, if you multiply it by 3, that will be the maximum value of this. It will be 99. So I don't know if it's expensive or not. I really like the previous one, that's why I thought of trying this one, and we will see. And I just really like to try different things. I get bored with the same things over and over. I like to use different like creams, different shower gels, and like I try with a lot of different things. According to me, I feel like Eva has the best offers, because I have been to a lot of malls, and even compared to those malls, I feel like Eva offers the best discount, and that's why I like to go over there and buy things, and you get a lot of variety as well. Obviously I felt like it wasn't a good idea to take all like video of all the prices, because prices may vary whenever you're going to go to the shop in whichever year you go to. So things might vary. Don't focus on the prices at this moment. Just go to this place and visit and see for yourself if you like it. Also you can compare from other places, like there is Watsons, there's Kopichka, and you can go to the malls to compare prices and see which one fits for you the best. I feel like malls are a little too far to go away. It just took me 15 minutes to come here and then go back. Obviously I'm recording the video, that's why it's going to take me a lot longer. Otherwise it doesn't take more than an hour to go and come back from this place, but if you decide to go to the mall, then it's a lot. And I didn't need anything else as well. The last time when we visited this place, I actually forgot this, that's why I had to come back. Otherwise you can buy things in bulk. So yeah, that's it, and I'm really sorry for all the disturbances. I just didn't know what else to shoot. I didn't know what else to record, because otherwise my videos will be all about me in the library. So that's why I thought of just going out and showing you guys something else. I don't know how long this video is going to be, so my apologies to you all for sometimes making a lot longer videos and sometimes making really short videos, because I hope you understand that I'm in 6th year and I just am not so good at managing time and all. So yeah, I'm really trying my best and I hope you understand that. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys soon in another video. Until then, bye, take care and have a good day. And I have to get back to studying, so yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.